Lily playing with the new toy that her Nino Lloyd bought her. She's learning how to grab for things above her. That she's going to do right now. She's going to grab for her little Dodger dolls. Oh, she faked us out. There she goes. Oh, she almost got it. And she's making a lot more noises now.
There's a ball. Where's the ball? Right there. It's coming. Ball.
Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily.
What else did she do today? Maybe she'll do it.
Hi.
She pulled herself up to
Hi,
stand.
Mama. Say hi.
You pulled yourself up to standing today, huh, Lily?
Say hi.